Welcome to this video where we will be discussing how much Cardano you need to become a millionaire. Cardano is a decentralized blockchain platform that uses smart contracts and offers a scalable and secure platform for developers to build decentralized applications. It has seen significant growth in popularity and adoption since its launch in 2017. In this video, we will explore how much Cardano you would need to become a millionaire and what factors can affect this calculation. Part 1: Understanding Cardano and its potential. Before we dive into the numbers, let's understand a little bit more about Cardano and its potential. Cardano has a lot of exciting developments coming up, including the Alonzo upgrade, which will enable smart contract functionality. This upgrade is expected to bring a lot of attention and adoption to the platform. Additionally, Cardano has a strong development team and community, which is dedicated to improving the platform's capabilities. These factors make Cardano a promising investment for the long term. Part 2: How much Cardano do you need to be a millionaire? Now let's dive into the numbers. To become a millionaire with Cardano, you need to consider the current market price of Cardano and how much it would need to increase in value. As of the filming of this video, the price of Cardano is approximately $1.50. To become a millionaire with Cardano at this price, you would need to own 666,667 ADA coins. This calculation is based on the assumption that the price of Cardano remains constant at $1.50. However, if the price of Cardano were to increase, the number of coins you would need to become a millionaire would decrease. For example, if the price of Cardano were to increase to $3, you would only need to own 333,333 ADA coins to become a millionaire. Part 3: Factors that can affect your investment. It's important to note that investing in cryptocurrency, including Cardano, comes with risks. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile and prices can fluctuate significantly. This means that the value of your investment could increase or decrease rapidly, potentially resulting in significant gains or losses. Additionally, the cryptocurrency market is still relatively new, and regulatory uncertainties and security concerns could also impact the value of your investment. It's important to do your own research and understand the risks before investing in cryptocurrency. Conclusion. In conclusion, to become a millionaire with Cardano, you would need to own a significant number of coins, currently around 666,667 ADA coins. However, the value of Cardano could increase or decrease rapidly, and there are risks associated with investing in cryptocurrency. If you are considering investing in Cardano or any other cryptocurrency, it's important to do your own research, understand the risks, and invest only what you can afford to lose. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video informative.